Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make tiramisu simple. Start by gathering all your ingredients. You'll need about 8 ounces of mascarpone cheese, 3 large eggs, half a cup of granulated sugar, and 1.5 cups of strong brewed coffee. Don't forget a package of Ladyfingers. Prepare your coffee and let it cool slightly. Then, carefully separate your egg yolks from the whites, placing them in separate bowls. Now, let's make that luscious cream. Whisk your egg yolks with half a cup of sugar until they are pale yellow and thick, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Then, gently fold in your 8 ounces of mascarpone cheese until it's perfectly smooth. In a separate bowl, beat your egg whites until they form stiff peaks, then carefully fold them into the mascarpone mixture. Time to assemble. Quickly dip each ladyfinger into your cooled coffee. Don't let them soak too long, or they'll get mushy. Arrange a single layer of these coffee-kissed ladyfingers in your chosen dish. Now, spread about half of your creamy mascarpone mixture evenly over the ladyfingers. Repeat this process, creating another layer of ladyfingers and finishing with the remaining cream on top. Almost there, cover your tiramisu with plastic wrap and refrigerate it for at least 4 hours. For the best flavor and texture, I recommend chilling it overnight. This allows all those wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully and the dessert to set perfectly. Just before you're ready to serve, dust the top generously with unsweetened cocoa powder for that classic finish. Enjoy your delicious homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.